Hey-oh! It's minus 35 today, and I'm stood out here in just outside of the city in the prairies. Basically, I'm in the middle of nowhere, but I've come out here because right around here is the Old Man River, and you can't see it from here because it drops down 300 feet into the river bottom itself. And I've come out because it's very pretty and it's very cold, and Jip wanted to run out. He's currently eating little ice balls off his paws. So I've come out to do a bit of a video, me and Range Rover and Jip, and I've taken a little bit of drone footage, and hopefully you'll like that because it's quite pretty at the moment. We've got about 8 to 10 inches of snow, and it's very pretty and very delightful out here, despite it being minus 35. In fact, with the wind chill, they've given minus 50 out here at the moment, but that's another story. It's been a good while now. It's been 2020 I started this channel, and I was looking yesterday on the feedback thing that they give you on YouTube, the studio creator or whatever it is, and it had said that I got approaching 2,000 subscribers. So I'm going to release this video Christmas Day for 2 reasons. One, to thank you very much for tuning in and liking and subscribing the channel, and also to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. My journey with Land Rovers is a very long one, and it's a very old one really. My dad started it all off. It's his fault, and he bought a Series 2A when I was about 7 or 8, and I became obsessed with them ever since then. It was a grand motor. In fact, it's still kicking about. He doesn't own it anymore because he's got a bit older, and series vehicles are for the younger tart, aren't they really? But so he started the old ball rolling, and since then I've been a long time fan of Land Rovers. My first one was a Series 3, a 1976 I think it was, Series 3, and since then I've been part of the Land Rover community. In fact, there used to be a shop where I used to work at Merleys Blackstone down road, Eel Green. There used to be a Land Rover shop run Land Ranger Services. My mate Martin, he's still kicking about actually. He's up in Orton somewhere, or Lancashire, Preston, or one of those places. Anyway, I got part of this community, a very caring and familial like community, a brethrenship I suppose you want. We sort of got a family as in themselves, haven't we, our Land Rover owners, and so when I came to Canada I kind of lost that community because Land Rovers aren't quite as big out here. They're all pickup truck owners and the like, and what have you. But anyway, making these videos, which really started with trying to introduce the new Defender to you all, has sort of helped me come back into the fold, or at least feel like I have, and I feel like I contribute a little bit towards the community and help people who are interested in Land Rovers and who've got questions and who are wanting to modify them and tinker with them and be part of that community sort of online. And so the fact that I've got nearly 2,000 subscribers on my channel, and that you ask questions and get involved with the videos that are posted and ask me to run little videos and things, that's very important to me, and I hope the content's very useful to you. And basically that's the reason I'm making this little video here, is to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a very happy, healthy and prosperous New Year, and to thank you very much for tuning into my little channel. And pretty much with that, I'm going to let you get back to your mull wine and mince pies and your second turkey sandwich. Merry Christmas all. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Cheerio.